Hi, welcome to tech.hnc. In today's episode, we are going to see about how to crimp and test RJ45 network cable. In addition to that, we are going to learn more about types of cables and its usage. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon. Cat6 UTP cables can able to transmit the data at the speed rate of 1 GB per second. Before starting, let's see the different types of UTP cables. This one is normal UTP cable, used for indoor purpose only. UTP stands for Unshielded Twisted Pair Cable. It has 4 cores, and each core consists of 2 wires. This is specially made for outdoor cabling, like running the cables between the poles or buildings, on direct sunlight. It has additional shielding material which protects from outdoor weather. And finally, this one is armored cable. It has additional protecting layer, with steel wires. It can be used for underground cabling, and for industrial zones, which requires additional protection. First, remove the shielding of the wire using wire stripper. If you have RJ45 boot, insert it now. Separate each pair, and untwist them. It will take few minutes to do it. While doing it, let's look into the color code of the wiring. There are 2 different wiring standards that are used in the world. One standard is called 568A, and other called as 568B. The orders are based on the color standard of the cable. 568A starts with white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. And 568B starts with white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. In India, we commonly use 568B color code standard. Further, the cable is crimped in 2 types, based on the purpose of the cable. Straight cable or straight through cable. Cross cable or crossover cable. If both end of the cable is crimped using the same color code, then it's called as straight cable. For example, if you use B standard on both the sides, it is called as straight cable. Straight cables are used to connect computers, printers, IP cameras, to networking devices, such as switches or router. If you use 2 different standard color codes in a cable, then it is called as crossover cable. For example, if you use 568A standard on one end, and 568B on other end, it is called as crossover cable. This type of cable is used to connect 2 network devices, without using any switches or router. It is also used to connect between the network devices, such as switches and routers. Now, let's see the crimping process. The cable is untwisted and arranged in type B standard. Now, cut the uneven wires using crimping tool. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector. Make sure the wires touches the end of the connector. Insert RJ45 boot. Now insert the connector into the crimping tool. Compress the crimping tool hard enough to press the connectors of RJ45. Remove the cable from crimping tool. Do the same on another end of the cable. Now let's see about cable tester. It has 2 parts, transmitter and receiver. In this model, we can test 3 types of cables. This one is RJ11 socket, used to test telephone connectors. And this one is RJ45 socket. In addition to it, this model has BNC pin tester. In receiver, it has RJ45 socket, and RJ11 socket. By connecting patch cable between transmitter and receiver, we can test the cable. Now, connect RJ45 patch cable in transmitter and receiver, and switch on the tester. Now you can see the lights are glowing in same sequence. This shows that the cable is crimped perfectly as a straight cable. Next, we'll check the crossover cable. As you see, it looks like lights are glowing in random pattern. Now you know that, in crossover cable, we use type A standard in one end, and type B standard in another end. Just look at the image pop up on the top right. And compare with the tester. Watch carefully. When number 1 glows in transmitter, 3 glows in receiver. Compare all the color codes as shown in the image. Hope this video helped you to understand more about crimping and testing LAN cables. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more videos related to tech. Don't forget to like the video. If you have any cool tips, let us know in the comments below.